Hi, welcome to the Kids Book Club. I'm Ingyu, and I'll be your guide as we explore one of the biggest questions in history. Why are some people rich and powerful while others are not? Do you think it's fair? Maybe you've noticed that some people have big houses and fancy clothes while others struggle to get enough food. Or some kids get to make all the decisions while others just have to follow the rules. But where did all this begin? It didn't start yesterday or even 100 years ago. Something huge happened 10,000 years ago that changed the way we humans lived forever. For the first time, instead of everyone hunting and gathering, some people controlled food, land, and even other people. Once power and wealth were divided, they never went back. Why did millions of people start following just a few ambitious leaders? And is fairness something we can create, or is it just an idea? In this book club, we'll be reading Unstoppable Laws, Volume 2, to uncover the history of power, inequality, and the choices humans made that shaped the world we live today. For each chapter, you'll get videos, games, and activities that will help you question, analyze, and understand history like never before. So grab your book and bring your curiosity. Let's unravel the mysteries of the human story. I can't wait to start this unstoppable journey with you.